He's bullying my child. Well, did you hit him with a hammer? That's not true. These are hammer-shaped cookies. I'll eat, but I know who the culprit is. Tell me now. It's Snow. I did it. That's a lie. I saw everything. The syringe is on you. Snow, I won't let you off. It wasn't me. It was you. Oh, the baby has a fever. Let me help you get better. Damn it! So who is the culprit really? I won't let him off. Actually, it was me who hit Tommy with the ball. Everyone, please keep this a secret. I did! Wow! I turned pink! Because I'm pink! And you saved me, so you turned pink too! I want to be pretty too! Oh no! I'm ugly!
Thank you for saving me. Come play with me now.
Oh no! Get away, ugly thing! It's my turn now! What will I turn into? You can't tap it! This time, I'll definitely turn into something pretty! I tap!
I'm out. Now save me. Come with me now.
No! Help! Fortunately, I didn't tap that egg. So scary. Jax, it's your turn now. Oh, no. I dare not tap it. What if something bad comes out? Call wide. What? Should I tap it or not? Everyone, tell me quickly.